Hello?
Okay, tell me one more time, you won't hang up.
What's up?
Hello, yourself.
Well, I can't hear you. And my sorority sister just got just confirmed that she went on Friday. I'm like 2 months ago. That's selfish. I mean, I don't know how you feel. That's just so not cool. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, ass. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You gotta speak loud. Who are you trying to call? I don't know why you called this fucking payphone. You call the payphone at the bar. Why don't you get a fucking metal box and be a dick like that? Okay, you have a super night. Why are you calling a payphone on a Friday night at 1 o'clock in the morning? You're up.
Hello, how may I help you, sir, ma'am?
Lauren speaking. I'm assuming that you're drunk, which makes you even better.
I didn't hear what you said, ma'am. Can you say again?
Why do you keep calling a payphone on a Friday night at 1 o'clock in the morning?
Really?
Does it pee? When you pee, does it burn?
Calm down, please.
Do you have anal warts?
Anything.
I am guessing that you have HIV. 50% of the people who have it actually don't even know. And if you're like sleeping with a bunch of, dark people, the chances of you having it are really low.
Please calm down, ma'am. I can help you.
Shut
What
up!
do you need me to do?
I'm assuming that you're drunk, which makes it even better.
I'm drunk?
Yes.
No, ma'am. I'm at work.
I am guessing that you have HIV. Listen, I am not 100% positive that you have HIV, but the chances of this are very significant.
Can I transfer you to my supervisor so you don't think I'm drunk? My supervisor is not drunk. I'm 100% positive of that. He is my senior. He knows what he's doing. I'll transfer you right now. Hello?
Lauren speaking.
Yeah, let me turn up the volume a little bit. I can't really hear it that well.
I am guessing that you have HIV. 50% of the people who have it actually don't even know. And if you're like sleeping with a bunch of, dark people, the chances of you having it are really low.
Are you suggesting that I'm a feminist?
Your ass on down here to the bar and we'll talk.
I'm really not.
We will talk. Mark
To be honest with you, I'm really not. I believe that females have equal opportunity as men.
And nobody else would feel the same way that you're willing to spread it. That's kind of gross.
They are here to do the same job if they want to. Granted, I mean, there's a lot of jobs that guys do that chicks don't really want to do. Is that okay if I refer to you as this chick? Because if it's not, I'll refer to you as a, female.
Okay.
Okay, well, anyway, there's a lot of career fields out there that women can do that are equal or superior to men. I mean, like the food industry. I mean, being a waitress, server, whatnot, whatever you have, flight attendant, stewardess. I know that's probably not the correct term, but flight attendant on an airplane. I mean, in the wall here, you gotta understand that, when you fly in an airplane, you probably want to have a female serve you rather than a male, right?
Okay.
Am I right or am I wrong?
Kind of gross. Oh my God. Honey. Go ahead, honey.
Okay, so anyway, like I was saying, I have no problem with females being in situations where they work or work more or are in higher statuses than males in certain career fields. All the more power to you. I'm actually happy that got to happen because we are in the golden era where women and blacks and whoever you want to be can be who they want to be. Superior. We're sitting in the higher ladder up on the fucking totem pole compared to white males or who have you, you know?
Yes.
So you know what? I'm actually proud of the fact that you're standing up for yourself. You know, I want you to feel like you can hold that fight. You know, more power to you. I'm not gonna let you win. That's just me. That's who I am. But granted, you talk to somebody else, you fight with them. You know, you could step up a few notches on that ladder. Okay, I'm an asshole, so I fucking hate women in the service industry. That's just me. That's just me. Don't get mad. That's just me. Okay, but there's a lot of guys out there that say, hey, this chick's fucking doing her job better than this fucking asshole over here, this guy. Yeah. Okay. Hey, you want to talk to her? You want?
Hello?
Being an asshole.
Hello?
The phone was ringing. I walked over. I answered it. Yeah, I tried to. Talk to her.
Hey!
Hello. How can I help you, sir, ma'am?
Honey. And my sorority sister just said that's kind of gross that you want to spread it amongst the people that...
Yes, ma'am. I can't understand what you're saying, ma'am, but I'm going to transfer you to somebody right now that has a lot better hearing than me. I've been blown up a few times.
Hello?
Hey, I'm back again.
Hey, girl. That's so cute. I tree for the barn, okay? Gonorrhea?
I'm sorry, I can't understand you. The music's kind of loud.
Gonorrhea?
I'm at a bar. I don't know. It's kind of like a nightclub / bar type thingy.
Contact the health department and they'll ask you, and you'll tell them.
I don't really know the name. I just kind of walked in here.
I'm actually...
Well, let me ask you something here. Let me ask you something. Why do you want to know the name of the place that I'm at?
And my sorority sister just said that's kind of gross that you want to spread it amongst the people.
Are you a fucking terrorist?
I mean, that's kind of selfish. I mean,
do I need to report you to my superiors? Because let me tell you something there, woman. I work for some people that they kind of dig their hands in the cookie jar that's kind of high up there. It's a good cookie jar. And if I get your name, or you know what? Matter of fact, hang on a second.
I'm actually...
Okay, hang on.
Lauren.
Okay, here we go. I'm recording this conversation right now, and your voice on my recorder, if I play it back to the people that are in charge of myself, if I play it back to them, they can actually decipher the message and figure out who the fuck you are. And let me tell you something, they're going to come after you, and it's going to be a very good day for you. Yeah. You ever seen those movies where, regular Joe Blow, what you want to call it, living everyday life, living on the streets, whatever, they get fucked up, and they go to jail or prison for a long time for something that's really stupid? Yeah, those are the kind of people I work for. And I'm just telling you right now, keep the shit up, and it's gonna happen. I don't want to do it, and I've never done that kind of shit before, but just give me the fucking word, and I'll hit the fucking record button on this shit, and 10 minutes from now, your name is gonna be all over the fucking NSA fucking WatchNet for terrorist activity.
Right here.
Let me know.
This is right here.
Oh, so I have a male voice now. Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Let me get my recorder out.
Woo!
Oh, hey, yeah, both of you. Okay.
I'm assuming that you're drunk.
Hey, let me get the recorder. Okay. You? Okay, here we go. I'm pushing record, and I'm getting both your voices right now.
So you get up here and fucking take your clothes off for the fucking bachelorette party. Dick fucker. Want to come up to Harpo's.
Okay, so I have your voice. That's more than enough syllables and voices and words. And then what I need to actually put you away. So if you could have your boyfriend or husband or whoever the fuck it is, say, settle those for me, that'd be nice.
This is Frank Garrett.
Okay. A couple more. Maybe like if you could say the quick brown fox jumped over to the red fence.
Do what?
Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay, thank you. You guys will hear back from me in a few hours. Thank you very much.
Do you understand this? Fuck you.